Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn about the brr sound. The sound is made from a B, B, and R, smushed together. We use the sound when we say that we would like to have jam on our bread. So since we know that B and R make the brr sound, we can use that information along with some other words in a sentence to guess a brr word that we might not know yet. So right here, I would like some butter on my brr. There's a BR word. What do you think it might be? Bread. I would like some butter on my bread. Now sometimes the word that we don't know in the sentence might not be the BR word. We already know the BR word. This sentence says, I with my brain. Right here is our BR word, and we're guessing the word with. What do you do with your brain that starts with think? I think with my brain. What about right here? She my favorite toy. Here's another BR word. This boy looks pretty sad. She broke my favorite toy. We see right here, his airplane is broken. He's very sad about that. Broke. Here, the w is making a poison brew. Once again, brew is one of the words we can already see, and that is our BR word in this sentence. Who is making this poison brew right here? Who is this? It's the witch is making a poison brew. And when she finishes making her poison brew, guess what? She'll fly away. My dog can back her ball. When I throw a ball for my dog, what does she do that starts with a br? My dog can bring back her ball. Bring is our BR word right here. The bride, here's our BR word, bride wears a white dr. Now we have to be careful in this one because sometimes br and dr look a lot alike. But this is bride, and this is dr. And what do brides wear that are white? The bride wears a white dress. Bride, dress. The bird, this looks like it's a BR, but there's an I in between there, so it's not quite the same as our other BR words. The bird sits on a tree. Oh, there's our BR word. The bird sits on a tree branch. That bird is sitting on a tree branch right there. You guys have done really great learning about the br words. Now we're going to move on, and I need your help on a special mission. Now you can work with partners, but I want everyone to have their own worksheet. We're going to have a treasure hunt in the classroom. I have words hidden around the classroom on things with the words on them. So this is bread, and it's wearing a bright pink name tag that says bread. So we're either going to have a thing like this, bread, or maybe a picture, and it will have a bright pink name tag that says the word bread right here. What I want you to do is when you find this bread, I want you to check off bread on the worksheet right here and write on the line give a try to writing bread right here. So the children will then do this, will then complete their treasure hunt. And in this lesson, for their formative activity or for their formative analysis, we want to see that kids are starting to really start to click with the guided activity. And if they're not getting it, maybe giving some more explicit directions to the guided activity, and giving some more examples and some more non-examples of the br sound and how we find it in words. We'll also be able to tell how they're doing in a formative way by watching them when they're doing their word hunt. How are students able to find the words and understand that this, for instance, is bread, or I have also bride. So we'll be watching how they're doing that and seeing, is our students all getting it? Is a student maybe relying on their partner for more help than they would if they understood the topic. And for their summative or assumative analysis, we are going to be reviewing the br sound later on. It'll be revisited the next day to say, hey, remember these words that we talked about, and just brushing over the br sound. And in future lessons, the br sound will be brought up plenty of times in order to make it so that the kids aren't forgetting what they've learned, and to keep that part of their minds active. And thank you very much for your time.